Hi, my name is Lydia Abbott, and I'm CEO of Workflow Magic, and today I'm going to show you how you can automate project health in Monday.com. Are you tracking project health manually? That's a thing of the past. With Monday.com Work Management for Enterprise, we can now automate project status updates based on real-time task completion. Let me show you how it works. Here's a quick look at this automation in action. In our project board, we're setting up an automation that updates the project health based on a specific threshold. First, we go to automations and search for automatic. We select this recipe when status changes. If certain percent of the tasks are stuck, update the project health. For example, if 50% of the tasks are marked as stuck, the project status will automatically shift to at risk or off track. Now watch this happen in action. Right now, some tasks are done, but others are stuck. The moment we cross the 50% threshold, the project status instantly updates to at risk. No manual tracking needed. And we could take this a step further. By duplicating this automation, we can set up another rule. If more than 50% of the project tasks are completed, the project moves back to on track. This ensures real-time visibility into project health. While this automation currently has some limitations, like no additional conditions, it's still a game changer for proactive project tracking. What do you think? Would this help your team manage projects more efficiently? Drop a comment below and let's discuss.